If you're looking for a fun, innovative cargo paper plane, I have just what you need. This paper plane has a cool, sleek design that is low on complication and high on performance. Note how the end is nipped to make it where it projects farther. The wings of it has the extra wingspan, which helps it to take flight and get good distance. It holds $1 in quarters, or you can mix it up and use whatever form of currency you like. One, two half-dollar pieces, $1 piece. The key to it is put them closer to the front. You get great distance. This would be a great investment because it is simple to make and will entertain for hours. All you need is one piece of 8 by 11 inch paper. It's great for races against friends and family who can go the furthest distance. It's also great for personal goals. Can you make it go farther? Can you make it stay in flight longer than your last time? The colors can be customized. The you can use any form of paper that you like. Construction paper, try a different color. Paint your white paper, add stripes. You can completely make it your own. This is great for those DIY people who like to customize and design the things that they use. If you're looking forward to investing in a product that will stand the test of time, this is the right investment for